Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into topics of relationships, intimacy, and everything in between. Today, we're talking about something you might have wondered about but weren't sure how to approach. What does it mean if a woman swallows your cum? Is it just a casual act, or is there more to it? Let's explore what this intimate gesture could reveal about your relationship, her mindset, and how she might feel about you. 1. The physical side of intimacy. First off, let's be clear. Physical intimacy is a deeply personal experience. It's about trust, vulnerability, and sometimes exploring boundaries. When a woman decides to engage in something like swallowing after oral sex, it's not just a simple act. It's a personal choice tied to comfort, openness, and maybe even desire. Cut away to narrator speaking to the camera. It's essential to recognize that every woman and every person is different. Some might feel completely comfortable with it, while others may not. But for those who choose to do so, it can often mean she feels safe and relaxed in your company, confident enough to fully enjoy the moment. So, when she makes that decision, it might be because she feels a special kind of connection with you, where she can be fully herself. 2. Trust and emotional connection. Swallowing can also symbolize a deeper emotional connection. For many women, engaging in this act is a sign that she trusts you, both physically and emotionally. She may see it as a way to please you, show affection, or build a bond that goes beyond just physical pleasure. Think about it this way. Intimate moments are often a reflection of the emotional side of the relationship. If she's willing to engage in this act, it's a sign that she's not just comfortable with you physically, but that she also trusts you on a deeper emotional level. This trust is crucial for building a strong, lasting relationship where both partners feel safe and open with one another. 3. Her level of comfort with herself and you. Another thing to consider is how she feels about herself and her own sexuality. If a woman chooses to swallow, it might indicate that she's comfortable with her body and with you. She's confident enough to embrace her own desires and explore them with you, knowing you won't judge her. Remember, for a lot of women, feeling empowered in their sexuality is a huge part of their overall confidence. If she's exploring different aspects of her intimacy with you, it could mean she's reached a place where she's comfortable being her authentic self, both in and out of the bedroom. When a woman is secure in herself and her relationship, she's more likely to express her desires freely without feeling self-conscious. 4. Her desire to please you. Now, it's also worth mentioning that some women might swallow because they genuinely enjoy seeing you satisfied. It's not just about the act itself, it's about the pleasure they get from making you feel good. In this case, it's an act of generosity and giving. She's doing something she knows will bring you pleasure, and that in itself is a sign of care. This is where you have to be attentive as well. If she's doing it to please you, make sure you're showing her just as much care and attention in return. Mutual satisfaction is key in any intimate relationship. Healthy relationships thrive when both partners are tuned into each other's needs, both physically and emotionally. 5. Does it always mean something? Now, it's important to point out that not every woman who swallows your cum is necessarily sending a deep emotional signal. Sometimes, it's just a part of her own sexual expression or something she doesn't overthink. Every person has their own relationship with physical acts, and it doesn't always carry hidden meanings. It's crucial to communicate with your partner. Ask her how she feels, what she enjoys, and don't assume that everything she does in bed is a message about the relationship. At the end of the day, intimacy should be about mutual respect, communication, and enjoyment. Always check in with your partner and make sure you're both on the same page. Conclusion. So, does it mean she's head over heels for you if she swallows? Maybe. It could be a sign of trust, comfort, and affection. But remember, The key to any good relationship is communication and mutual respect. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into relationships and intimacy. Catch you in the next one.